Mike with MJ Scale Modeling here again with another build-in video. This is one of the models that I did on a build-in at our club meeting once a month. This kit is a TAMIYA M16 motor gun carriage with the Quad 50 on it. I've been wanting one of these for so long just because I've always thought that the American half-track with the Quad 50 in the back, the 4 mod deuces, was just awesome. I mean, just a killing machine, you know, just chew through the concrete to get at you. I love it. And I could never find one. I'd find old kits on like eBay and stuff, and I'm a cheapskate, so I was like, I don't know, you know, I'm not gonna buy it. Well, this TAMIYA repopped this one, and I saw it come up, and I damn near shit my pants. I was so excited when it came out. Bought it and started building it in our build-in. You know, typical TAMIYA, went together really easy. Rubber tracks. A lot of people love the rubber tracks. I'm okay with the rubber tracks. I don't mind. I prefer building my tracks, honestly, if I'm going to be completely honest. But I had a good time building this one on our build-in too. And just like the last build-in video, I don't have any footage building this one because it's built over a period of several months. And I'm starting this one just painting it as usual. So trying a little bit different technique with this paint job. I've never been really good at my shading, so I tried doing a little shading on this one. It's coming along, I think, pretty good. Anyway, let's get to building this M16 gun carriage here, and let's do it. I decided to try my hand at shading a little bit, and I realized really quickly that I shouldn't have painted the shading on the white hull. I should have waited till I got the OD green on and then painted it, because it was very hard to get the black paint into all the nooks and crannies of the hull and everything like that. And the OD green I'm using for this motor gun carrier is the XF51 Khaki Drab. Now here I am once again trying my hand at the shading, and it came out a lot better doing the black over the OD green rather than the black over the white. Here's a little food for thought for you while you're watching me build this vehicle, or if you're building this vehicle or a vehicle similar to this. Don't ever forget the men who fought and died in the vehicles like this during World War II or Vietnam or Korea or whatever type of model you're making, Desert Storm. You know, this World War II vehicle, the soldiers who are alive who fought in this vehicle are passing away at incredible numbers every day. And it's just, for me, it's a testament to them to build these vehicles. And I think about them every time I'm building. Now you can see that I'm going back over with the XF51 over the black panel lines, and kind of just letting just enough black show through to accent that panel line. And here I'm painting the components of the track system, the idler wheels, the bogies, the return rollers and stuff like that with Tamiya Natal Black as usual. It's my favorite color, I think, in all the Tamiya paints. And for the canvas seats in the truck and in the gun mount, I used XF49 Tamiya. That's just standard khaki color. For the ammo cans and the fuel cans, I used a little different green, Tamiya XF67 NATO green, and for the straps on the fuel cans on the outside, I just used XF49 khaki. For the steering wheel and the wipers and whatnot on the vehicle, I did my favorite, Tamiya NATO Black. Here I'm just using standard metallic gray to do the shovels and whatnot, and I'm also putting little chips and dings in the ammo cans and the fuel cans that are on the side of the vehicle. So I'm going to wrap this video up, and part 2 where I finish this baby up is going to be coming up very soon here, so thanks for sticking around and watching, and we'll see you in part 2 of the M16 motor gun carrier.